As the Texas legislature approaches key deadlines, lawmakers are working overtime to get priority bills to the House and Senate floors. And today marked a huge day for tax relief advocates as the two chambers of the legislature announced a deal to lower the tax burden for all Texas home and business owners. Our Capitol reporter Adam Schwager dives into what relief you could expect on your tax bill.
Over the last handful of sessions, Governor Greg Abbott and the Texas legislature have made property tax relief a priority, with Abbott once again declaring it an emergency item this session. While Texas Tribune analysis said these measures are working to lower tax bills, the Tax Foundation still has Texas listed as the 7th highest property tax rate in the nation. On Monday, the House Ways and Means Committee heard a host of property tax relief bills, including relief proposals for first-time home buyers, disabled veterans, and the elderly. Most wide-reaching, they discussed a pair of bills sent over by the Senate to increase the homestead exemption from $100,000 to $140,000, which bill author Paul Betancourt estimates will save the average homeowner over $350 on their property taxes annually. After hearing the bill, House Ways and Means Committee Chair Morgan Meyer announced they came to a deal to send Betancourt's bill to the House floor.
We have reached an agreement with the Senate. I want to thank Lieutenant Governor, Chairman Betancourt, Speaker, and obviously the governor as well for all of us working together to provide meaningful property tax relief. I'm glad we got this job done.
In exchange, Betancourt carried Meyer's property tax relief bill in the Senate Local Government Committee, increasing the business exemption from $2,500 to $125,000. In a social media post on Monday afternoon, Betancourt called this a great start to Small Business Week, adding that he estimates this second bill would reduce the average property tax burden for businesses in Texas by $2,500. From the state capitol in Austin, I'm Adam Schwager.
All right, Adam, thank you very much. And going a bit deeper, back in November of 2023, Texas increased the homestead tax exemption. Voters approved an amendment to the Texas Constitution, upping the exemption to $100,000. Governor Abbott called a special session just hours after the 88th legislative session concluded in order to address property taxes and border security. After the legislature didn't make progress during that special session, the governor called another session at the end of June, focused entirely on property tax relief.